With over 43,000 job openings available nationwide, the welding industry is growing. With this expansion comes the need for experienced welders who have knowledge of various welding processes. UTI's welding technology program can help give students the education they need to fill these positions. Arc welding is one of the most popular welding processes used in the industry. The method uses an electric arc that creates an intense amount of heat to fuse together metals. The UTI welding program focuses on 4 major types of arc welding processes. One of these is stick welding, also known as shielded metal arc welding, or SMAW. SMAW is one of the oldest welding types, dating back to 1890. SMAW is often referred to as stick welding because it uses a flux-coated electrode when forming a weld. The flux helps generate a shielding gas that protects the work from contaminants. Then, constant current equipment helps create heat between the electrode and the workpiece to melt and fuse the two together. The basic tools used while stick welding include a constant current arc welder, an electrode holder, an electrode lead cable, a ground clamp, a chipping hammer, a stick electrode, suited for best application. Stick welding can be used for a variety of metal types, but it is often used for heavy-duty work involving industrial iron and steel. You can learn more about stick welding and other welding processes when you attend the welding program at one of 7 UTI campuses across the country: Avondale, Arizona; Long Beach, California; Rancho Cucamonga, California; Lisle, Illinois; Bloomfield, New Jersey; Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas; Houston, Texas. Get the hands-on experience you need to fill a role in the growing welding industry. UTI can help prepare you for an exciting future.